Now, the Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist Lindsay Monroe.
Good morning, everyone. With the exception of some fog, perhaps some mist around early this morning, we are going to see some sunshine returning as high pressure builds in this afternoon. So while it still is a pretty cloudy sky out there, winds are out of the west-northwest around 9 miles per hour. We're going to get that cloud cover out of here looking ahead at later today and finally see some sunshine fluctuating in for the first time this week. Here's Futurecast beginning at 8 o'clock this morning. Again, you can see that lingering cloud cover, but all of the rain showers will be well up to our east this morning. In fact, high pressure builds in for us, and that's going to clear that sky out as we look ahead at our afternoon. Winds will shift out of the north for today, and that's going to be a rather strong wind, keeping those temperatures down. Yesterday, we topped out near 73 degrees. Today, we're going to struggle to get back into the mid-60s, being influenced by that cooler wind. Daytime highs today, again, back into the mid-60s, and here's how we'll get there. Temperature tracker for the day takes us to the 50s this morning, back into the lower 60s by this afternoon, and eventually topping out right around 64 degrees. That's your forecast daytime high here in Terre Haute. Mid-60s pretty much all throughout the valley. You get down near Evansville, we'll get into the upper 60s, but for the most part, very seasonal temperatures. We should be right around 67 degrees this time of year, so very close to that seasonal number. Overnight lows tonight, though, let's talk about that. As we head through early Wednesday morning, overnight low temperatures are actually going to turn rather cold. In fact, numbers that could possibly prompt some areas of frost as well as we fall back near just 35 degrees, and check out Lafayette near 32. That freezing point is a little further to our north. Frost again a possibility as those skies clear out through the overnight tonight, and it does turn significantly cooler. Keep that in mind. Numbers that are going to be anywhere from 20 to 30 degrees colder 24 hours from now. Wednesday afternoon will be the coolest day of the week as we only look to rebound back into the lower 60s. That's around 5 p.m. for your Wednesday, a high near 62 tomorrow, so even cooler by a few degrees tomorrow as compared to today. We'll have a weak disturbance set to move through. Futurecast tries to bring in at least a splash of rain or two, but for the most part, I do believe we stay dry all the way through Wednesday, but our next chance of rain moves in on Thursday with a developing low pressure system that's going to be just back to our west, and this system here will bring pretty widespread shower and storm chances to the valley on Thursday evening into Friday morning. So for today, again, we're starting off with those clouds around this morning, clearing skies this afternoon, a cooler and breezy day with highs near 64. Frost, it's a possibility if you have plans outdoors. Keep that in mind. Definitely going to need to cover them up with these cool temperatures in store. Fall back to 35 tonight, rebound to 62. Again, a tad cooler for your Wednesday. Heading through midweek, temperatures will be the coolest of the week. We'll get back into the lower 70s for your Thursday and Friday with the chance of scattered showers and even storms. Again, that's going to be mainly Thursday night into the very early morning hours on Friday, but we'll quickly clear things out for your Friday afternoon. Mostly sunny skies return with highs near 73. This next weekend is also looking a bit cooler, but as we talked about the March of Dimes coming up on Saturday, looks like some fair weather for the